We will guide you through how to make floating effect in CapCut Mobile. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching CapCut on your mobile device. Tap New Project to start a new editing project. Then choose the video you want to use and add it to the timeline. Wait for the selected footage to appear completely in the editing workspace before continuing. Tap the video clip on the timeline to bring up its available editing options. Swipe through the toolbar at the bottom of the screen until you find the Effects option, then tap it to open the available effect tools. Next, tap Video Effects to access the different effect categories provided by CapCut. Use the search bar to look for Play Pendulum and wait for the matching results to appear. Browse the search results until you find the Play Pendulum effect. Tap the effect to preview its floating style movement and see how it interacts with your footage. Once you find the effect you want, select the Play Pendulum effect to apply it to your video. After applying the effect, adjust the effect layer on the timeline to control exactly where the floating animation starts and ends. Tap the applied effect to access its available adjustment controls and customize the movement according to your preferred style. Modify the available settings to change the movement of the clip and make the animation more noticeable. You can also adjust the effect duration to control how long the floating motion continues throughout the selected section of your video. Play the video in the preview window to check the overall movement and see whether the effect looks natural with the footage. Continue preview the entire video from beginning to end to make sure the effect fits naturally with the footage and does not interfere with other parts of your edit. Once you are satisfied with the final result, tap Export to save the finished video to your mobile device.